today's DIY is a mini organizer slash utensil holder, and all you need, well, there's a few things you need, but before I get into it, it's out of tin cans. So if you've been using a lot of canned goods, you can definitely upcycle them, and here's one of the ways you can do it. So let's get started. You're gonna need, to hold your tin cans in place, you're gonna need like a piece of board. This was a sign that was on sale and I took it apart, and it's just white painted board. I kind of like this side better. But anyway, you need a board. You're gonna need at least 3 cans. So you're gonna place them in the middle. And since mine is gonna be more of a utensil holder than a mini organizer, I need 3 because it's for spoon, forks, and knives. But you can get a wider one, board, whatever size you want, and you can decorate it how you want. Today, the way I'm gonna decorate it is with white paint. So you need, of course, paint. You need, well, I'm using a paint and brush to use my paint, something so I won't get my table dirty. And then I'm gonna decorate it with ribbons. So these are some of the ribbons that I saw, thought it was cute. So definitely get whatever ribbons. They're gonna go around, well, I'll show you later. But you need ribbons, you need a glue gun, and you need scissors. Now, today I'm gonna glue gun my cans, but for those who wanna be extra, I guess, secure, you can definitely make a hole in your can and screw it into the board. But my board is super thin, so it's not needed, but it depends on your thickness of the board. So today is glue gun, just saying. We're gonna get painting first. There. And let's get painting. will say you can definitely do like a second coat of paint. I did one because I thought it would go with the wood. But yeah, you can use whatever green you want. I like the green because I thought it would be like a fun contrast against the purple utensils. But definitely have fun with it. Make it your own. Again, if you get a thicker wood, then you can screw it in. But this was such a thin piece of wood that I thought glue gunning it would be enough. And if you can also, if this doesn't work, because I'm experimenting, try wood glue. There's a lot of different glues out there, pretty much. But I found this very therapeutic. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And like always, I'm just Joss'n. Bye.